We're gonna hit this kayak trip down the river. Dang. Dang. See what that says? Pelican. Let's go. Pelican. Pelican. Let's go. Look at us. Oh, we're still at the front. We found turtles. Dana's gonna demonstrate how to unboard your ship and drag it across. So what happened is it's been so dry and not rainy here in this beautiful city that it's
It's the reverse of marine environments. Because nitrogen comes from nitrogen. Oh, there's like a little frog. Nitrogen comes from.
look at what we find. I know what you're thinking. This rocks. Oh!
Just gotta train the stabilizers, man.
Train to stabilize. Oh, this is freaky. Oh, bro. You made that look easy. Let me find a different spot. Oh my god.
Bro.
Okay, this one's a little better, I think.
Beast. With the handstand.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
It might be easier if I... Oh, nice. Oh, I've been recording for a minute, 45 seconds. Let's try. We're turning around. We're gonna try to push the kayaks, the boats, back around through this like kind of like rocky and shallow here. So we're just kind of scooting it. Just manhandling it. So see you on the other side. Back to the first one. Another time we'll get out. It might be the last, or it might not. Okay. Yup. I gotta have Adine film me do this too. It just looks too cool. Yeah! 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 You just got an idea. Oh, let's go. Let's go. With the push-up. He found the perfect pair of rocks, yo. Holy cannoli. Wow. Wow.
That's it, man.
Okay. I don't know how he does it, guys. Found these rocks. Whoa, found these sick rocks. Oh. Is it these two rocks?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Gotta get that grip.
Holy cow. Okay.
Let's go. Beast, man.
Oh my god. Okay. Can I get a planche?
Let's go.
Oh, okay, maybe a tiny one. They make that look way easier on Instagram. Guys, my smart ass took my shoes too. But don't worry, because we came prepared with gains.
Gains, bro.
We came prepared with gains.
Isolation.
Isolation. I'm a fucking pirate. If you choose to follow. Into the ocean again. We go. Got a bridge.
Hard to not have your kayak go the way
Yeah. Yeah, maybe if I come and hold it.
Climb.
A simple rope climb, bro. Hold the kayak. Bro hits the rope. What in the world? He returned safely. Look at him go.
Let's go.
Y'all ever seen a front rope lever? I'm not gonna climb it.
My man. Oh, bro.
It's actually really hard. Guys, we are vibing. Living. Yo, this dude can paddle his ass off. This guy does not get tired, yo. This guy is just a paddler. We're paddling on. Let's go. It's back there. Uh-oh, don't get up. Ended up at Post Springs. Crazy. Oh,
That was fun, though.
oh, oh.
My mobility is not going to be.
You got it.
After you brush your teeth, the white's only was for rinsing your mouth out.
Yeah, that's a while ago then.
Yeah, put it on YouTube.
Woo! Single leg squat. Oh, this water is cold as a doozy dangly. Whoa, almost slipped and died, yo. I'm gonna be one with the land for just a second again. Wow. You didn't feel like a fish? Oh, this is spring. This is where we've kayaked our way to. Freaking Florida, man. Oi, oi, oi. Bro, I wish I could one-arm front lever so we could do it together.
Bro.
Bro, we had to get this together. Although we tested one of our weights on it, but not both. It did go really, actually super solid. All right, you ready, bro?
Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
Get the angles.
Oh, the tree.
Let's go.
Adine's gonna show us the way, how to walk down beautiful steps. Oh. Oh. This guy is so savage. Ah! He caught himself. He caught himself. Guys, walking down is hard. I used to think that it must be easy the way he did it so much. What in the world? Bro, checked his way back. Hey, alright. Making my way downtown. I'm walking fast.
Let's see it, bro. Let's go.
Oh god. Bro did it the hard way first. Oh, he came back for a second. Just to show you he still can. Oh! That's like the end of the pretty stairs. Woo! Ah!
So, you know, guys, I'm not ready for this. Okay, let's go. Let's freaking go, bro. Into the springs. My man.
That's my first step ever.
Let's go. PRs.
Oh, one small step for man. I can barely handstand.
Bro, you got this. With the push up.
Let's go. Hey. We done had to get past the current. So we walked this thing pretty far, but then once bro got his thing in, he came to pull me across and I just sat down.